How to invite friends to Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to invite friends to Binance. In order to invite friends to Binance, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you're going to log in into your Binance account, and when you're logged in, that is going to take you to this field. And on this page, when you tap on the icon from the top left hand side corner, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So unfortunately, you'll not be able to find the referral link or the referral button on the following or the main account, so you have to switch it to Binance Lite. Go ahead and switch over to Binance Lite and then press the icon from the top right, and on this page you need to go ahead and select your account, and next you'll be able to see this option as referral or invite. You just have to press on the referral button, and as you press the referral button, it's going to take you to the other field where you need to go ahead and add the contact details, or you wish to go ahead and select the contact to whom you wish to go ahead and invite. So that is how you can invite friends to Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.